Namaste everyone, I am Rubina Rai from Nepal. Today I am very glad to have this opportunity to share about Nepal land of multicultural. Well, late King Prithvi Narayan Saha, the unifier of modern Nepal in the 18th century, stated Nepal as a common garden of 4 castes and 36 creeds. Likewise, in our present day national anthem, the first sentence reads out, as a woven from hundreds of flowers, we are garland that is Nepalese. And it's in saying of many races, languages, religions, and cultures of incredible sprawl, this progressive nation of our all hail Nepal. Nepal is a landlocked country between two large nations of their own indigenous background, India in the east, west, and south, whereas China in north. Country Nepal, hence my country has a uniquely diversified culture, welcome all through the historic ages. Another unique feature about Nepal is her typical geographical location. The vast diversity of the southern plains to the Himalayas in the north has given rise to variation not only in the living style of Nepalese, but it's also one of the reason for diversities in our culture and tradition. Hence, Nepal, though a small country size-wise, but it is very rich in its own unique tradition, castes, creeds, indigenous groups, and culture. Today, I would like to speak about Rai, a unique indigenous group of Nepal to which I belong. Rai are Nepal's most ancient indigenous ethno-linguistic group. Rai people migrated via Assam, Burma, Tibet, and Yunnan in ancient time. They are Raya, which means king. Once someone was recognized as a ruler, then Hindus awarded the title Raja, Raya, Malla, etc. The ancient history and archaeology of Nepal indicates that they had a long dynasty rule in Kathmandu Valley till the 2nd century. Rai people language belong to Tibeto-Burma. Rai people celebrate Chandi by worshipping nature and their ancestors, and also Sumnima and Paruhang as primordial parents. They belong to Kirat religion. The priest plays an important role in Rai communities. They have their own deities and belief. Their holy text is Modhum. Rai means wear Daura Sural Patuka, in which the Kukuri is compulsory toque, and Nepali topi, and also wear waistcoat, whereas Rai women wear gunucholi, scarf on their head, and long piece of cloth wound round their waist, and also different kinds of gold, silver ornaments. Some of them still use homespun cloth even today. Their population is around 2.79% according to 2001 census. They mainly derive their substances from agriculture. Their professional is cultivating paddy, millet, wheat, corn, and even cotton. But nowadays, they form a strong group in the Gorkha recruitment, Nepalese army, and the police, as they are known as very courageous, daring, bravery, honesty, and fearless people. Now I would like to stop my topic here. Thank you.